Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the AMANSON PC Case pre-install 6 PWM fans. This ATX mid-tower gaming case has generated a lot of buzz, so let's dive right into the details. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our comprehensive tech reviews.
Alright, let's get started. First things first, let's unbox this beauty and see what's inside.
When you purchase the AMANSON PC case, you'll find it comes with not only the case itself but also 6 pre-installed PWM fans. That's impressive.
Now, let's talk about the design and build quality.
The AMANSON PC case boasts a sleek and modern design with a mesh front panel for improved airflow. It's built with tempered glass side panels, including a unique hinged door for easy access. This not only enhances the aesthetics but also ensures excellent ventilation. What's a gaming PC case without some RGB lighting? The AMANSON H05 comes with 6 PWM RGB fans, and the lighting effects are just stunning. You can customize the colors and modes using the included lighting software to match your setup's theme. Now, let's talk about space. This case is roomy. It can accommodate ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, making it versatile for various builds. With enough space for cable management, multiple HDD mounting slots, and support for up to 3 HDD drives and 3 SSDs, you won't run out of storage options. The intelligent I/O panel design is worth mentioning. It's equipped with plenty of ports, including USB 3.0, high-definition audio, a reset button, and a power button. This gives you the flexibility to connect various peripherals and accessories with ease. Let's talk about cooling performance. With the 6 PWM fans and the excellent airflow design, this case keeps your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the hinged tempered glass side panel improves airflow and provides an excellent viewing experience. The AMANSON H05 gaming computer case is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, including ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. This means you have the flexibility to choose the motherboard that suits your needs. Before we wrap up, it's essential to note that this case comes with a range of additional features, including a screw-free design for easy assembly, dust filters to keep your components clean, and a large space for GPU and CPU coolers. So, there you have it, folks, the AMANSON PC Case pre-install 6 PWM fans ATX mid-tower gaming case. With its outstanding design, RGB lighting, spacious interior, and excellent cooling capabilities, it's a top choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments down below.
Also, subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews like this one.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.